Today, I am delighted to announce that Nicolas Gaube from France is a top 10 finalist for the Global Teacher Prize 2023. Nicolas, you teach in a college where many students are from disadvantaged backgrounds. But as their earth and life sciences teacher, you've enriched their education by integrating creative approaches to learning, memorization tools, and calming techniques in the classroom. For example, you've raised awareness around climate change by modeling the greenhouse effect in class, highlighting the effects of global warming. Thousands of educators around the world have also gained inspiration and tips on using digital technology from your Happy Teacher YouTube channel and received your help through video conference calls and private messages. Congratulations, Nicolas, and thank you for all you do.